How to add new font in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add new font in MS Word. So you can find a lot of font online, so you can download. Once you've installed it, you need to extract the zip file. And after you're done extracting the zip file, then you'll need to install it. Now you'll briefly see an installation process window as it's installed. Next page you have to tap the Windows icon and then go to the control panel and select fonts. In the other page, find the font you want to install. If you have downloaded the font from a website, then the file is probably in your download folder. The font file will likely have a .ttf or .otf extension. Now you need to drag the desired font into your system font folder, and you can drop it into the white space between the other font icon in the font control panel. Once the font is in the correct folder, it should install automatically. If it is not, double click the font file to open the font previewer and click the install button in the upper left corner, and next time you open Word, the new font should appear as the option in the font list. So that's basically how you can add font to your MS Word. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.